Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2405 Nob Hill Avenue North. Recording this from the cleanout on the east side of the home. I'm going to pull back. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City mainline sewer line. Everything back from here is going to be the responsibility of 2405 North Nob Hill and the neighboring house that ties into this line. So as I pull back from here, we'll get a look at the line. City takes responsibility at this point. I've got my footage zeroed out, so everything coming back from here is going to be the responsibility of the homeowners here of these two houses. So, massive root intrusion, a couple feet back from the main. See how it's kind of holding water? It's got toilet paper flaked on it. Back to back, massive roots coming into the line. Those are out underneath the street, running up right next to the main line. So, the idea of the liner would be to cover those seams that allow those roots to intrude. We would jet out the roots first, cut them out completely, and then install the liner. There are some little tracer roots there in the line. There's a seam every 3 feet in this old clay pipe, original to the house, 6-inch diameter. You see these roots coming through at almost every seam. A little bit of a lip there. That liner would correct that lip. Still coming back through 6-inch. We are getting probably back underneath the sidewalk about now. There's a pretty good offset broken section of pipe where that large root, which is on the bottom, it's on the right side of the pipe, but on the bottom part of our screen right now, is pushing the pipe, actually causing a pretty good size offset there. We're getting close back now to where, let me rotate the screen, where the proposed dig location would be. So the dig would start somewhere in here. This is under the lawn now in 2405, and the trench would go to about there. So we got about a 10-foot long trench that we would dig in order to correct that bellied section of the pipe. That belly is where that water flattens out. That would be a good spot to dig to install the liner. As I'm coming back now, we're going to go a little bit faster. I'll point out the irregularities. There's a spot there, large root coming in, pushing the pipes, offsetting it. Again there. See some little minor roots, very minor belly there, less than a half an inch of water sitting in the pipe there. Not concerned about that. Again, very minor bellying through there. Not anything that concerns me as far as causing a potential backup. And we're getting back into the plastic now where this cleanout is installed. So there is the end of the plastic. So we're looking at about 112 feet from the main line back to where this plastic cleanout is. And coming up out of the cleanout, there is your clean out there. And I'm going to wrap up the video, end it right there.